Honda CBR 1000 RRR 1000cc 4-stroke engine, 4-cylinder, DOHC, 16 valves, liquid cooled. Maximum power 160 kilowatt, 217 horsepower at 14,000 RPM. Max torque 113 Newton meter of torque, 12,000 RPM. Transmission manual. Instrument panel 5-inch TFT display. Weight 200 kilograms.